Spawning into Clark Metal products.
Hello, my name is Joe Hartice. I'm the lead engineer here at Clark Metal Products. What I do is take the customer sends in a drawing. There's one up here on the screen. And I have to duplicate that, make a flat pattern so that it can be either laser cut or punched.
Need to know this place. What's the key to get out of here?
Well, I'm not sure I should help you, but the first digit of the code is 9.
Hi, my name is Robin, and I'm an insert operator and spot welder here at Clark Metals. Definitely the people that work here, and Clark Metals is a small company where the boss actually knows your name. You're not just a number.
I'm trying to get back to my game. Do you know what digit comes next?
You told me not to say it out loud, but your next digit is 7.
So what's cool about manufacturing is you get to see everything come in as a raw sheet of steel, and whenever it goes to leave the building, it is a completely usable product, welded, ground, silk screened, everything's done, ready to go. I heard you needed a code.
Yes. Do you know what the next digit is?
Yes, it is 6.
My name is David Clark Jr. I'm the third generation co-owner and president of Clark Metal Products. The thing that is unique and really cool about who we are and what we do in that respect is the wide range of industries that we do support and service.
Mr. Clark, we really need your help. We need the last digit.
Fine, but don't tell any of the employees because I told them not to tell you. The last digit is 8.
Congratulations, you've made it back to the game.